Presenting a pre-owned 2002 Acura RSX. This two-door hatchback has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Acura has less than 106,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, moonroof, power door locks, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.